If Pixlr is giving you a file loading error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of browser cache, a file format issue, a file that's too large, an extension blocking Pixlr, or even low system memory. The good news is that most of these fixes are quick, and you can test them one by one until Pixlr starts loading your image properly again. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you stay updated with more helpful fixes. Alright, let's start with the easiest test first. Open your browser in Incognito mode or private mode. This is important because it helps you check whether the problem is being caused by cached data, browser extensions, or something saved in your normal browsing session. Once you open a private window, go to Pixlr and try loading the same file again. If it works in Incognito, then the issue is probably related to your browser data or an extension. If the problem continues, the next step is to clear your browser data. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. A clear browsing data window should appear. In the time range dropdown, select All Time. Then check the box for cookies and other site data, and also check the box for cached images and files. After that, click the Clear Data button. Once the process is done, reload Pixlr and try the file again. This step often fixes loading errors caused by corrupted cache or outdated site data. Next, disable anything that might interfere with Pixlr. That includes ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers, or even a VPN. These tools can sometimes stop the editor from communicating properly with your browser. Turn them off temporarily, refresh the page, and test the upload again. If the file loads after disabling one of these tools, then you found the cause. Now let's check the file itself. Go to File and verify the format of the image you're trying to open. Pixlr supports common formats like JPG, PNG, WEP, and PXE where applicable. If your file is something like Hike, RAW, or another unsupported format, Pixlr may fail to load it. In that case, convert the file to JPG or PNG and then try again. Also make sure the file is not corrupted and that it opens normally on your device before uploading it into Pixlr. If the file is supported but still not loading, the size may be the issue. Try using a smaller file size or reduce the image dimensions before uploading. Very large files can sometimes time out or fail to load properly, especially if your browser is already running a lot of heavy tabs or programs in the background. A lighter file is often much easier for Pixlr to handle. Another thing that can help is freeing up browser and system memory. On Windows, press Shift and Escape to open the Browser Task Manager and check which tabs are using the most memory. If you see a tab eating up a lot of resources, close it. You can also open your main task manager and close any heavy apps you don't need right now. This gives Pixlr more memory to work with and can solve loading issues caused by performance limits. If you're still having trouble, go into your browser settings and look for hardware acceleration. This is another setting that can affect how Pixlr runs. If hardware acceleration is currently on, try turning it off, then restart your browser and test Pixlr again. If it is already off, try turning it on instead. Some systems work better one way than the other. So this is a great final troubleshooting step. Once you've gone through these fixes, Pixlr should be much more likely to load your file correctly. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes, and feel free to comment what error you are seeing so I can help further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.